We went to visit Adventure Playground in Irvine. It's completely fenced in with one entrance and is only open certain times. The playground is free to enter and has staff at the entrance to assist. First, we went to a regular playground inside.
Okay.
There's a long concrete slide to go down. The main feature of this playground are the giant Lego blocks that are scattered in different areas. One area our kids enjoyed was stacking blocks around a water fountain.
Good job.
There's a small butterfly garden maze to walk around.
You see the butterfly, Elliot? Look.
The playground is fairly large, with paths to walk around and explore. There were also several outdoor lawn games to play, and a foosball table. There's an arts and crafts activity set up. Our kids got to color and take home small turtle stuffed animals. Adventure Playground offers a lot of activities that will definitely entertain and wear kids out.